Hello friends, today we will learn about operators in Java programming language. Here is my explanation about operators. Operators in Java. In Java, different types of operators are there. I will explain one by one in this video. First one is additional operator. It is denoted by plus. Next one is subtractional operator. It is denoted by minus. Next one, multiplication operator denoted by multiplication operator denoted by star. Division operator is denoted by slash. Remainder or modulo operator is denoted by percentile. Okay. In the Java, how we are using those operators, I'm explaining now. First one is additional operator. How we use in Java. System.out.println. Println 1 plus 2. This is addition. The 1 and 2 called operands, plus is called operator. Calculation is happened 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This addition. Output is 3. Next one. Subtractional operator. Denote minus. System.out.println 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 need to generate must and should generate 1. Here is the 1. So it is the subtractional operator. Next one is multiplication operator. There is star system.out.println. Here is 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. You can use any number, but for the simplicity, I am using 1 and 2 only. You can use any digit. Those are the integers I am giving. Compiler also knows those are the integers. One into 2, 2. Okay. then division operator. One division 2. It real output is 0.1, 0.5, but 1 and 2 are integers, so it is only generated without decimal values. It's 0 generated. 0 is generated. So if you want to know the decimal value also, then you need to change them into float values. See, you will see the decimal values. 0.5. Final one is modulo operator. On modulo 2. See, we will see 1. Here is my explanation about operators. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.